Hey everyone, this is John from AAAAFx, and in this short video I'm going to show you the trailing stop feature of MetaTrader 4. So what is a trailing stop? Well, essentially it's kind of like a buffer. Okay, so as the market moves, it really only works for trending markets, but it's a great tool to use in order to maximize your potential profits and also minimize potential losses. So here's how it works. Say we're going to enter a buy position. Okay, so we've just entered a buy position and we're going to set a stop loss to be just below here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, set the stop loss to be just below there, and I'm going to put a take profit somewhere up there. Okay, so here is our stop loss, here is our take profit. Now what I'm going to do is right click where the order is, right click and put trailing stop. So a trailing stop, for example, we're going to do a trailing stop of either 15 points, 20 points, 25 points, whatever it might be. We're going to do 15 points and that's it. So now we have a trailing stop of 15 points. So essentially, our stop loss and take profit are like absolutes. Okay, so when it gets there, when it gets to our stop, it definitely gets us out. When it gets to our take profit, it definitely gets us out. But a trailing stop it can potentially get us out at the best possible price for that trade. So as the market now moves up, for example, say it moves up to here, we've got a 1.5 or was it a 15 point trailing stop. If it now moves 15 points against us, out we go. Okay, so essentially there's always going to be 15 points, like 15 points, almost see it as like a bumper, right? 15 points away, okay, like a channel. And it really only works best in a trending market. Like I said, in a very sideways ranging market, it's not really that useful. But on a trending market, say for example, we don't know when the trend will end. So say we have a take profit really high up, but it's unlikely it's going to hit our take profit just because it's so far away. So if it keeps trending, like a nice trending zigzaggy pattern going up and down, up and down, up and down, but then it decides to just sort of stop and crash down, well, instead of it going all the way to our stop loss, and you know, when we were up X amount of dollars and now we've actually lost, that kind of sucks, right? So instead of taking us out at our stop loss, our hard stop, we now have that 15 point trailing stop where it'll take us out 15 points from the highest point it has been, if that makes sense. So you could probably see it best. For example, let's take this downward push here. Imagine we entered here, and as the market moved down, and you see how it retraced 2 candles up. Now if that was 15 points, that retracement, it would have got us out right here. Okay, so still in profit, but it's basically dynamic by 15 points, okay? But because that wasn't 15 points away, it kept us in, it kept us in, it kept us in, it kept us in, it kept us in. And the moment it moves right here, 15 points in the opposite direction, right, it would have got us out here. So we have maximized our trade from here all the way to here, okay, because of the trailing stop. So it's a very useful feature in a trending market, and that's essentially how you set it. You just right click, put trailing stop, and you can select how much of a buffer you would want. So 15 points, 20, 25, 30, etc., or you can even customize it, but the minimum trailing stop is 15 points. So I hope that helps. I hope that makes sense to you and you understand how to use it. But yeah, a very useful feature, especially in trending markets. Definitely recommend you give it a go, give it a try, and see how well it performs with your strategy. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.